Hello everyone, today we are making prawn ghee roast. This spicy yummy gravy goes well with chapati, dosha or rice, and you can make this as thick a gravy as you need, or you can roast it more to make it more dry. I like having a little extra gravy, so I've left them in the pan as it is. And so without further ado, let's get cooking. I have about 200 grams of cleaned deveined prawns, over which I'm adding a little bit of lemon juice, some turmeric powder and some salt. I'm going to marinate this and let this sit for a while. While that's marinating, in a pan, add in some cumin seeds, fennel seeds, coriander seeds and fenugreek seeds and dry roast them. I'm also adding some peppercorns and mustard seeds. The exact quantities are mentioned in the description. Once they are nicely roasted, keep them aside and then add it to a blender. Once it cools down, along with this add some kashmiri chilli powder, about 5 cloves of garlic, few cashew nuts soaked in water, and blend them to a smooth paste-like consistency and keep it aside. Then in the same pan, slightly fry your prawns, about 2 minutes on each side because they cook really fast. Remove them from the pan and keep them aside. In the same pan, add some ghee, then add some finely chopped onions, along with some curry leaves, and saute them well. Once the onions are nicely sauteed, add in the ground paste and give it a good mix. Make sure the masala cooks well and all the raw smell goes away. I have a little bit of masala sticking in my blender, so I'm going to rinse it off and pour that water into the gravy. I'm adding a teaspoon of tamarind paste. Alternatively, you can soak a lime-sized amount of tamarind and dissolve it and use that water as well. Add some salt to taste and bring this gravy to a boil. Now you can reduce this gravy as much as you'd like. If you want it to be more dry, roast them for longer. I like the gravy consistency that it has right now because I'm making this for chapati. So I'm going to leave it at that and add the prawns. Mix them well and give them a good roast and let it sit. Like I say, always let your curry or anything that you make sit for a while. You will see that the gravy thickens always. Look at that, that's the perfect consistency that I needed. Sometimes roast can be more dry. That's up to you. Do try this recipe and let me know how you liked it. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.